natural resources that we get from the earth. Water. Water is used for many things. Like we drink water, we can't live without it. And we water the plants to grow. Trees, plants, vegetables, and fruits. We also make electricity from water. No water, no electricity, and no shower. Then there's wood. Trees give us wood. With wood we make furniture and fire. And there are many other uses of wood as well in the house. Then there are rocks and mountains. We use rocks to make our houses. Rocks create cement, marbles, flooring, everything is made out of rocks. Then there's oil. Oil is used for our cars. If there's no oil, we cannot drive a car or even a bicycle. And the factories run from oil. And there's so many other things which need oil.